Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. My name is Ono Purbo. Thank you very much to the Faculty of Art of ITB to give me the opportunity to give talk in the conference. I will talk about online teaching and experiencing art and culture during coronavirus and beyond. To be honest, I am not an art person. I am a technology guy, a techie basically. but, but thank you very much, Bu Nuning, for allowing me to talk in this conference. So I will talk about, basically in this few minutes, I will talk about basically three different activities. First, about the from the end users, or from the those who like to see arts, who like to experience arts, to visit museum, galleries all over the world. Okay, that's the first angle. The second angle is about the basically post-pandemic teaching on art. How can we do teaching on art with social distancing? Okay, that's the second angle. And the third angle is the embrace of technology for virtual galleries and exhibition and art experiences. The actual technology we can use for these things. Okay, so first the end user, second is the teaching process, and the third is the technology. So basically, physical distancing raises profound question in culture, faith, family, and coming together, of course, afford comfort during times of crisis. But at the same time, physical distancing affect rights, art, culture, economics, and many things. Okay, now because of this, we have no choice. In our new normal, physical distancing is a growing reality. So we have to do this. Otherwise, it's very difficult for us to maintain our existence. Wow. Okay. Anyway, in the past, we enjoy a bloom of art activities around across all media, performance, visual art, movie, you name it. We can enjoy all of this, while the world is having problem containing the coronavirus now. The way we typically participate in the art is changing. Here are just few different ways you or I can be cultural and artistically participate in from our couch while sheltering in place. Okay, so the first one is the experiencing art and culture. We can visit museum, galleries all over the world from our. So this is from the not from the artist point of view. This is from the common people. So we can visit museum, galleries from all over the world from our home. We can become a virtual globe trotters, see exhibit, art, learning material, and so on, and thousands of museums worldwide with Google Art and Culture. Okay, let's see how it's look like on the web. This is Google. Oh, by the way, this paper, you can download this paper from my websites if you like. I really hope the organizer will upload my paper as well, but you can always welcome to download my paper from my website, OnnoCenter.or.id. There is a menu for publication here. You can click publication, and this is the paper, Online Teaching and Experience Art and Culture During Coronavirus and Beyond. So you can download for free. Okay, so this is the actual paper. Okay, so it's available online. You can download. The art and culture, Google Art and Culture, we can access from this website, artsandculture.google.com. You can see a lot of art and culture activities on these websites. Okay, there is games, plays, museum, artworks, even you. Oh, sorry, you can download it from Google Play and App Store. Okay, so you can enjoy it from your handphone. Okay, this is about Dipali from India actually right now. Okay, now you can explore museum from your home, listen music, and so on. Amazing amazing image from the space and many things. Okay, now let's see if we can explore more, explore something nearby to our place. Okay, something nearby here. I live in Jakarta, so the one nearby of my place in somewhere in Jakarta. This is Monas, Museum Nasional, Museum Nasional, Monumen Nasional in Jakarta. We have several museum here: Museum Santa Maria, Museum Prasasti Museum, Heritage Gallery, Kepentingan Nasional, Patung Kuda Monas, and so on. Okay, the National Museum is, I think, here. This one is the National Museum. So this is some of the museum. This is the Indonesian National Museum. We can click the Indonesian National Museum. I think we can visit view in Google Art and Culture. This is the important menu here. Okay, you can click, and this one is the other important menu. View this artwork within its environment. So we can have virtual tour inside the museum. We can click here, and then we can do some virtual tour of the museum. So it's already available. Okay, we can do the same with art gallery if you like, but you have to. We need to talk to someone in Google on how to put it in their culture and art website like this. Okay, so we can enjoy touring the museum using 3D. This is for normal person. Okay, for the artist himself or herself, they are more interested how can we put things here. Okay, later I will explain about that. Okay, so basically we can do a lot of tour here. There's another one. This is another one. Oh, this is China. Wow. Okay. Very interesting. Okay. So that's the museum. The other thing that may be interested in many of the common people is to meet the curator, to meet the artist. Okay. Some of the interesting one, for example, another way to is digital, rather waiting for someone to show their digital thesis to show up. We can follow our school social media account, see their exhibition, or we can we can find a wide variety of art-based podcasts or video online on YouTube. This podcast especially for artists too. One of the favorite is the Math Curator, Kimberly Drew, about art and radical accessibility. Okay, let's see some of the talk done by Kimberly. You can find Kimberly talk on Apple Podcasts, for example. We can click here, and then we can hear what she's saying here.
And so social media gives me the
okay, so I will not run everything here. Otherwise, I will what's that? I'm not complying to copyright and stuff like that, so I will not run. So you are welcome to run these things, and on YouTube you can do the same thing. You can find her speech, her teaching, and so on. Okay, let me see if she has a course or something. This is lecture. Okay, this is her lecture. 1 hour lecture.
Started doing public programming with the little.
Okay, so we can watch her lecture, and also many other lecturer on art on Google, or listen to their lecture via podcast. So this can be done. It's very easy. So many common people can watch, can enjoy art, listen to the artist talk via podcast or YouTube. Okay, so this is for the common people. Now, for the arts itself, for the art school, a lot of things can be changed. For example, in normal school, we already familiar with massive MOOC, massive online course, forgot the massive open online course. So we have a lot of massive open online course. Mostly we use e-learning platform to do these things. I'm sure at ITB they have the e-learning platform running. We can use those platform for these things. On other school, we can do the same. For those who don't have the online course platform, you are welcome to use our platform. lms.onnocenter.or.id/Moodle is free. You are welcome to use this platform for free. Currently, we have more than 40,000 students in it, and we are hosting about 700 courses in it. It's all free. Okay, so you are welcome to use this thing. So yes, we use this kind of online course. The problem with this kind of online course is quite rigid. It's designed for course, for university course, for school course. But actually, in reality, the pandemic is actually changing the way we deliver course to student. We basically merge between the formal student and the actual audience. Okay, so some of the issue is we can get creative and build community. Okay, among the student as well as the common people at large. So we can exchanging ideas. We can exchanging creativity, see how others doing things, and so on. Okay, some of the keyword is this one: Art Archives Challenge. This is very interesting, actually, done by, or we can always make the Indonesian own artwork archive challenge. Okay, I think already. So this is the online course. You can search the artwork archive challenge Instagram contest, and we will go to their website, artworkarchive.com. It is a challenge run by artists for artists, but this is not only for artists, the professional artists. It also run for common people who like to do art. Okay, this is the step. Follow the artwork archive in Instagram. Upload your photo. You need to write why you love being an articulation. Put the hashtag, and then this is what you could win. Okay, there. Let me see if I can see here. Oops, sorry. I think we can see it on Instagram. This is the actual work done by the artist. Okay, we can click a lot of this work, and you can exchange ID among the artists and so on. So this is one example. Artwork archive. We can always do something like this for the other Indonesians. We can also search on Twitter. Oh, sorry, this is the other way. So this is one. Get creative and build community. Okay, we can use challenge and so on. The other one is we can use hashtag among online communities. For example, museum, starting with the Museum of City of New York, creating this kind of hashtag, Museum Moment of Zen. Okay, it's now many museum actually using the same hashtag, trying to attract people to come to the museum and galleries and exploring art using can be physically, can be virtually. Okay, if we use this hashtag Museum Moment of Zen, then we can see this kind of thing. This this is the actual Museum Moment of Zen. So we can see, oops, sorry, some museum actually posting their sample of their collections on Twitter, so people can follow what is interesting for them and so on. Okay, the other thing is we can always use other keyword to find different artwork. For example, I use modern art keyword, and you can see a lot of modern art work posted in Twitter, or you can do the same thing in Instagram and so on. Okay, so it's very interesting. A lot of people posting on the internet, and then you having this kind of environment, we can share to each other on how what's people react, what's it's more interesting than others. Okay, so this is basically how the education process is changing from class only education process, and then we can meet up with the other artists, or meet up or engage directly with common people who like arts. Okay, so this is important change. This is an important change in the teaching process. Now let's see about the tools. I have listed some of the tools here, but the important thing is I found two person, Rega Octaviana and Muhammad Ari Kurniawan. Rega Octaviana is the art school graduate student at ITB, and he developing an online exhibition platform in his work. Okay, you can contact Rega at this email address, octavianrega@gmail.com. I'm sure those who study at the graduate study at art at ITB may know him as well. Okay, this is his product actually. He created the Cube virtual space. Okay. Let me see the other one. This is the another example of Cube virtual space. Then people can go inside the virtual space and explore the art exhibition inside the Cube. Okay, this is made by an art student.
Hari ini di masa yang akan datang.
Okay. So this is made by an art student. This is not made by a computer science guy, not made by programmer. So an art student capable to build these things. Okay, let's see the result from Muhammad Ari Kurniawan. He's actually Muhammad Ari Kurniawan is my son's friend. He's from the his background is game programmer. Okay, let's see his website here. Okay, I open his website. No, so we can click this website and we can tour into the web this website and go inside the house and so on. Okay, so we can enter the house. He worked mainly for for real estate company, so they can show people how it's look like inside the these things. Okay, now the other tools we are interested, you can you can explore my list here, but I will show you very briefly. First, the OpenSpace 3D. This is open source software. So if you have the ability to code, you can build these things here. Oops, see. But you can download here the code. So some people actually providing the code for free. This is OpenSpace 3D. You can download and you can watch the video if you like. Okay. The other one is Marzipano.net. Same thing. It's open source. It's you can download it from GitHub. This is some demo of the ability of the software. You can zoom in. You can, I think you can click or sorry. Okay, you can enter this museum here, and then you can browse and so on. Okay, you can go somewhere else again. You can browse and so on. Okay, so this is the Marzipano.net. They provide the source code for free. So there are two open source application on this one. This is basically a hosting service. So you can host your virtual galleries in lepentor.com. There is a pricing, but for trial they will provide you with trial for free. Okay, so this is lepentor.com. They can provide free trial. This is Make VT. Okay, it's basically virtual 3D virtual reality, and then you can so you need to upload the photo, and you can do virtual tour inside their websites. Okay. The other one is the rest is basically commercial, but they provide a free sample, so people can create, update, and use for some limited capacity of their product. So this is very similar to what the Ari Kurniawan make. This is for real estate, but you can always use for gallery, of course. Okay, this one is ArtStep. It has been used by several Indonesian, so you can make your own virtual exhibition here. You can immerse using VR, 3D designer. It can be interactive. You can also do some storytellings. Okay, so this is actually the platform. The things that I mentioned is platform. Now, the tools, if you are an art and you want to make a 3D art on screen, you can use Tilt Brush from Google, and also this one, poly.google.com, also from Google. This is if you like to make your own art, 3D art. Okay, so this is not a platform. This is tool to make 3D arts. For example, this is some of the result of the 3D art make using the polygoogle.com. Okay, so basically that's some of my review on the tools, what the end user can do, and hopefully it can give you some idea on online teaching and experiencing art and culture during coronavirus and beyond. Thank you very much for listening. Hope this gives some idea to you all. Thank you.